Welcome back to a few minutes of design, and this time it's time for your elevator ingenuity pitch.
TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut, and welcome back to a few minutes of design, 52 activities to spark your creativity. This time we're taking a look at a new challenge, Ingenuity Pitch. Look at the images on the other side of this card and work out what the designer was trying to achieve. Write a 100-word blog post or magazine article to launch a product, identifying the problem it addresses and explaining why this is a good solution. Let's have a look at what it was. Okay, so it seems to be taking a coat hanger and turning it into a kind of crossbow or rifle with a shooting range kind of deer head. Kind of violent, but I like it. Flat pack rearranged. Copyrighted to Kieran Jones. Well done, Kieran Jones. Well, let's jump into our word processor and see what we can come up with.
The flat pack rearranged. Imagine, if you will, a world where there is no waste, where you can take ordinary, everyday items as mundane as a coat hanger and turn them into something beautiful, fun, and creative. That's the world in which Kieran Jones would like you to join him. The Coat Hanger Rearranged Kit is a series of instructional booklets to help you turn an everyday coat hanger into a work of art. Build a functional crossbow, decorative deer's head, or toy rifle and inspire the inner child within your heart. The Flat Pack Rearranged. Find the extra in the ordinary.
All right, Ingenuity Pitch. That was a fun one, bit weird. Had to kind of jump out of this zone and do it separately, but I hope you still followed along and enjoyed it. I'll see you next time on another episode of Few Minutes of Design and another episode of TipTut. Thanks very much.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.